ऑनेस्टली मुझे जय हिंद कॉलेज जाना था बिकॉज वहाँ आप शॉर्ट्स पहन सकते थे। जेवियर्स में आप शॉर्ट्स नहीं पहन सकते थे, रेड नहीं पहन सकते थे, स्लीवलेस मुश्किल थी, एंकल नहीं दिखा सकते थे, घुटने तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं दिखा सकते हो आप। उसके पीछे एज ही सेड चैपल है which was very popular among young couples. So the regular aloo masala sandwich was my go-to. Chocolate sandwich है अभी भी? I know aloo masala sandwich is like a very generic sandwich, but this has some magic. What a nostalgic feeling.
City verified. Tell me you're a Zevarite without telling me you're a Zevarite.
चलो sunlight चलते हैं.
Is this the shop? Typical Colaba, Causeway, Lane
Vibes. So this is Pax. I don't know why I'm getting so excited like it's my shop. भैया अब last कितने में देंगे ये? I'm not the only one bad at bargaining.
Please, no, oh my god.
250 दे दो. Jackpot. We're at the right spot. There's Leopold. Beer पीते हो आप लोग?
Lectures का पता नहीं, लेकिन कोलाबा शॉपिंग और जेवियर्स की कॉलेज कैंटीन की अटेंडेंस ना हर सुबह चिक की फुल ही होती है। सोबो यानी कि साउथ बॉम्बे पीपल। और आज हम इसी कॉलेज लाइफ मैडनेस को एक्सप्लोर करने निकले हैं विद द वन एंड ओनली साइज क्वीन हु हैज नो फिल्टर एंड उनकी कभी कॉपी भी नहीं बन सकती। तो on this episode of तेरी गली में there will be street food, shopping, OG Zeviers vibes और एनर्जी तो फुल ऑन होगी क्योंकि ये है बम्बई मेरी जान। लेट्स गो। Hi Barkha.
Hi.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm good. Wow, आज आपके कॉलेज के बाहर आए हम।
Yes.
Not as a student.
Not as a student, finally. एक sandwich वाला है इधर. He used to be, I think he's been there since years before I entered college, and it's been years after I've left college, and he's still there. So I want to take you to him because बहुत tasty sandwiches बनाते हैं वो.
सैंडविच वाले भैया का नाम क्या है?
Good question. Let's go. We used to only call him sandwich वाले भैया. Say hello sir.
देखते हैं वो आपको याद रखते हैं कि नहीं?
पक्का नहीं. There are 1,000 students. Oh, that's
Already
the
भीड़
guy.
है?
Yes, there's always crowd here. He recognizes
Oh,
me.
he did.
I think I ate too many sandwiches.
So tell me your go-to sandwich over here.
So the regular aloo masala sandwich was my go-to, and there's a really tasty dairy milk sandwich.
Dairy milk
Yes,
sandwich.
chocolate sandwich है अभी भी?
सस्ता नटेला.
Yes. That's why he corrected me. He said chocolate sandwich.
Zeviers की कोई याद बताओ मुझे सबसे बेस्ट।
काफी सारी actually. That's the first squad there. First quadrangle, हाँ जी?
चैपल है ना उधर।
चैपल नहीं, इस चैपल के पहले तो फर्स्ट स्क्वाड है ये। चैपल अब बहुत आगे चले गए सर। दिस इज द मोस्ट फेमस कभी कभी अदिति।
Yes.
एंड इन एवरी फिल्म, इन एवरी एड, जब भी कॉलेज दिखाना होता है दे शो दिस। माहौल बहुत डिफरेंट दिखाते हैं टीवी पे, इट्स नेवर लाइक दैट एवर। हियर देयर यूज्ड टू बी बास्केटबॉल मैचेस। उसके पीछे एज ही सेड चैपल है व्हिच वाज वेरी पॉपुलर अमंग young couples.
For obvious reasons.
Yes. And we should actually practice. There was this English literature festival called Ithaca. It was like directed by students, produced by students, acted in by students. और उसकी practice हम literally यहाँ करते थे. और अब तो ये गेट खुला हुआ है. Generally ये गेट खुलता नहीं था. ये बीच से ऐसे हमको sandwich smuggle in करते थे through the thing.
Zeviers का पहला दिन बताओ, like very confident या very nervous या एकदम full heroine वाली entry?
No, I was quite nervous. Honestly, मुझे जय हिंद कॉलेज जाना था because वहाँ आप शॉर्ट्स पहन सकते थे. जेवियर्स में आप शॉर्ट्स नहीं पहन सकते थे, रेड नहीं पहन सकते थे, स्लीवलेस मुश्किल थी, एंकल नहीं दिखा सकते थे, घुटने तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं दिखा सकते हो आप. All the students are in full clothes.
What was your core memory in this college?
Honestly, studying, yaar. I was a very studious student. I was a merit list holder in my 12 board exams.
No way.
Yes. तो यहीं पढ़ के. Xavier's has a very good foyer. and a canteen where we have a live dosa station, Chinese station, biryani station, sandwich pasta station, normally a thali station, ice cream station, like everything you can dream of eating.
तो Xavier's की कैंटीन छोड़ के तो आप कहीं बाहर जाते ही नहीं रहोगे?
इसीलिए तो हमको सिर्फ ये अंकल पता थे और कोई नहीं पता था. I think there was also Kayani's cafe. Kayani's. Yeah. That was there.
Yes.
So हम वहाँ जाते थे.
So are you telling me that you have never bunked your classes?
No, we weren't allowed to write. We weren't allowed to write exams if we haven't bunked.
नहीं, आप बोल सकते हो.
अरे no, seriously, if we didn't have 75% attendance, we could not write our exam. But I found a way around this. Every day, अगर आप एक lecture bunk करोगे, you'll have 75%. You can't bunk more than one lecture a day.
So Barkha Singh just gave all of you college students a hack.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sandwich काफी exotic लग रहा है. So is this the first time you're coming like after graduating कि आप आ चुके हो वापस?
No, I've come as a judge for Malhar a bunch of times, and I think that's been the best feeling ever because when I was a student we used to organize Malhar, and at that time when the guests used to come, हम ऐसे human chains बना के guests को लेके जाते थे, and to come back to college as a judge, as a guest was like completing a full circle, and all the college students know I'm an ex-student, so the love you get as an ex-student is unreal. Like teachers who would never even talk to me in college,
then they
come and talk now. So Xavier's has lifts which students are not allowed to use, but when you come as a guest, even if you have to go one floor, you use the lift.
And you'll be like, watch me.
Watch me, I'm using the lift now. But listen, I insist you must try this first.
Okay. सही, बहुत सही दिख रहा है ये.
Please try it. I know aloo masala sandwich is like a very generic sandwich, but this has some magic.
The cheese as well.
What a nostalgic feeling. Okay, I'm gonna try a bite as well.
Too good.
Good?
These are Barkha's recommendation and I am verifying it. CT verified. No change. This is too good. Tell me you're a Xavierite without telling me you're a Xavierite.
Chalo sunlight chalte hain. There used to be a running joke.
Yeah.
What is the difference between vampires and Xavierites?
को जागते थे.
You'll never see a vampire in sunlight.
Tell me more of your go-to spots in South Bombay.
Cafe Bayview. Then there's Cafe Kayani. Third nicest place. I think I used to really like Bade Mia's ki paneer biryani. Or it had, like, I'm vegetarian by choice, so we had really nice paneer rolls and paneer biryani at Bade Mia's.
यार आप इतना कुछ बता रहे हो, आपकी पॉकेट मनी कितनी होती थी?
मैं एवरीडे नहीं खाती थी ना ये सब. ये ऐसे जब टाइम और मौका मिलता था हम तब खाते थे हम लोग सब.
We are going to explore something else as well. ठीक है, बहुत ही fun होने वाला है अभी.
Yes.
We are going to go thrift shopping in Colaba.
Oh, nice! I actually know some amazing stores in Colaba. Let's see if they're still there. I'll take you. Because these are the stores that had a lot of export rejects of some really good brands.
Yeah.
And we used to get like really nice linen pants for 100 rupees. 300 rupees, really good linen pants.
तब तो सही में 100 रुपए में मिलता था.
100%, yeah. Like Sarojini got nothing on us. So,
yeah. But अब 100 रुपए में नहीं मिलेगा, तो let's see your bargaining skills.
I'm actually really bad at bargaining. I'm really bad at bargaining. In fact, I always had to take a friend with me to bargain, and when I used to start talking, she used to do this to me. That's why she used to give me nazar and all of that, so I shut up. So I used to select what I want, and then I would पीछे खड़ी हो जाती थी ऐसे करके.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
And then she used to do the bargaining.
Yeah. Today you have me.
Today I have you. So let's see your bargaining skills.
No, let's see your bargaining skills.
Okay, cool. We'll see mine.
Let's go.
Pressure. Let's go.
Cafe Monday Gar. ये
So Mondays का breakfast used to be amazing. Honestly, मुझे उतना great खाना लगता नहीं था, but it used to be like an iconic place.
So Are you that person कि you know ढूंढ के निकालेंगे कि कहाँ पे क्या मिलता है?
Yeah, I'm good at finding things. This bargaining में थोड़ा मार खा जाती हूँ.
Is this the shop?
No, not this one. It's a long shop, but यहीं कहीं है. Packs करके होती थी.
Okay, typical Colaba Causeway Lane
Vibes. I think we found the shop.
Oh, it's this one?
So this is Pax. Welcome to Pax. I don't know why I'm getting so excited, like it's my shop. It's not my shop, but I'm very excited. I have to show you something. Come here. Megha and I found something. Wouldn't this actually be a really cool outfit?
It
if you
is,
style
it
it well for summers.
White shoes.
है ना?
Gold
nice
jewelry.
white sneakers, gold jewelry. Very cool. What do you think?
इतना शॉपिंग आप कर चुके हैं, बताओ ये कितने का होगा?
I think this would be for 1200. Let's ask.
Okay, let's ask.
You ask. मुझे देख के
आप बता दो बस। मेघा ये वाला। दीदी कितने का है ये? 1350.
135 not bad.
Close.
Not bad.
Close. Very close. Nice.
500 में देंगे?
हाँ?
500 कहाँ आएगा मैडम?
ये हैंगर आएगा। When it comes to shopping, what do you shop the most? Like you know, college में आपका सबसे go to outfit क्या हुआ करता था?
College में pajamas and top, like linen pants and top. और
सबसे best,
pajamas
comfortable?
and Xavier's में आप कुछ नहीं पहन सकते और.
Yeah, that's true.
That was it. Even during monsoons, we weren't allowed to fold our jeans up.
What?
Yeah.
फिर वो तो पानी में full
Yeah.
ऐसा-
आप दिन भर गीले jeans में बैठो पर आप ankles नहीं दिखा सकते.
It's that strict.
It's that strict.
उसको अच्छे से एक्सरसाइज किया तो फुल अच्छी लगेगी।
It's actually not a bad one.
भैया इसका प्राइस बताओ।
He doesn't bargain here. We'll have to go to another shop to
Yeah.
do the bargaining.
Yeah, because it's
What do you think for 1250? No? No? No, everyone is saying no behind the camera. No.
ये कोलाबा है, हम बजट वाला देखेंगे।
Oh right, हमारा budget 1000 था ना, sorry. Off to a disappointing start.
या भैया जी बज नहीं कर रहे थे बिल्कुल भी।
Yes.
Did you ever shop for bags from Colaba?
No.
Really?
I used to always take my mom's bags that she was willing to throw away. She'd be like, मुझे दे दो, मुझे दे दो.
Use में आ
I
जाएगा।
used to take them, whether they're chipped, whether they're whatever. I was like, give it to me.
But this looks very cool.
Yeah, what do you think of this?
This looks very cool. Let's ask the price.
ये कितने का है sir? Guys, we have a Marc Jacobs here.
भैया बताओ ये कितने का है? हाँ?
750 मैडम।
750.
Which is better? This ना? भैया अब last कितने में देंगे ये?
500 आएगा।
I think possibility to do more.
हाँ?
और कम कर सकते हैं।
We can do one more.
No, 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 no. We are not doing that. आपकी bargaining skills देखेंगे हम।
Wait, we'll do it. भैया मुझे ये लेना है, आप बेस्ट प्राइस बता दो। So 300 में दे दीजिए, मैं अभी ले लूँगी।
500 लास्ट चाहिए।
350.
I'm not the only one bad at bargaining.
Please, no. Oh my God. सीधा she went to 3. भैया 350 कर दो आप।
We'll move ahead. We'll find another spot.
बरखा, ये चैलेंज है आज हमको करना है कैसे भी।
अरे ये तो शुरुआत है कॉस्मे की। These will be cool. Do you like pink भी दे दो? Do you like red or pink?
Pink. Pink
Okay.
works.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
What do you think, guys?
Comments में बताओ कितने में मिलना चाहिए हमको?
कितने का है? 400 के दो।
400 के दो ना? एक 400 का। ये अभी बोले क्या आप? कैमरा देखिए। विदाउट कैमरा है क्या लेने?
विदाउट कैमरे का क्या प्राइस है?
बताओ अब भी लेके जा रहे हैं हम?
ये लाल
पूरा
वाला
चाहिए हमको अभी। 350 नहीं। मैडम लास्ट प्राइस बताइए।
200 में देंगे, अभी लेके जाएंगे।
अब भी लेके जाएंगे। 400 में दो, बेस्ट प्राइस। मैम एक फोटो लेगी इस पे 11 लाख व्यूज। 200 का एक, 200 का एक, 200 का एक।
It's very cool, no?
या कितना कम करोगे बरखा?
मुझे 200 में चाहिए, 30 दे दो। 250 करके खत्म करे, अभी लेके जाते हैं।
500 में तो बेस्ट प्राइस है ये।
250 दे दो। Jackpot. I actually quite like it.
Yeah, it's
It's
really
a
nice.
vibe. Cool, let's move.
250, good bargaining.
250, thank you.
Ever go for jewelry shopping?
Yeah, they used to buy so much jewelry. See, they're actually pretty jewelry.
Yeah.
आपको LV से लेके Van Cleef तक सब मिल जाएगा Colaba Causeway में.
That's true.
But no, अभी we don't have budget. We have to
आगे बढ़ना है.
stick to our budget and buy pants.
Oh, perfectly in time we got. भैया कितने का ये? 650.
Then we'll have to buy a top for 100 rupees. I think ये वाली अच्छी है.
ये वाली अच्छी है
हाँ.
कलर ये वाली अच्छी है.
मटेरियल वगैरह भी
मटेरियल भी
अच्छा
अच्छा है. I like this as well. कलर अच्छे अच्छे लगे
है ना?
Yeah. Top भी होगा सी?
Yeah, I think those are the only two nice kurtis. Oh, okay, this is a cutie. No, thugs.
No, I don't think you like the neck.
Which is better?
I think this.
Yeah, I quite like that.
This is nice.
Yeah, cool. साथ में we'll bargain.
Yeah. Guys, we are going ahead with this. Let's see कि सर कितना बोलते हैं इसका यार. बरखा करने वाली है most of the bargaining. अभी मैं करती हूँ.
हाँ, you do now.
No, मैं इशारा कर रही हूँ आपको.
अच्छा. Okay, hold. I have a very tough task at hand. भैया, ये दोनों लेने हैं. Is this a small size? Yeah, small should
It's a
fit.
small.
हमारा एक चैलेंज है, हमको ना 1000 रुपए में पूरा आउटफिट बनाना था, सिर्फ 700 रुपए बचे हैं. 750 बचा है. नहीं, झूठ बोल रही हूँ.
नहीं भैया 750
please.
कर दो ना.
आप कैमरे में अपना नाम और एड्रेस बता दो. Thank
देखो
you.
होता तो 700 में करते हैं हम, बट आपको 750 दे रहे हैं.
He agreed for 750 rupees, and we have nailed our challenge.
We have.
put together an outfit in $1,000 in Colaba Causeway with sunglasses.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You quite have the fan base, huh? When was the first time you realized that you were famous?
When I've done this show called Girls on Top, MTV पे
I
आया
loved
था
even
वो
that.
यार. उसके रिलीज होने के 1 महीने बाद जब हम बाहर जाते थे, लोग ऐसे like this used to happen, and that's when I realized I'm like,
I'm famous.
am I famous?
Summer look done.
Our summer look is done. Bhai, thank you very much. 750. Thank you.
चलो चलते हैं आगे.
Come.
बरखा बहुत गर्मी है यार.
बहुत शॉपिंग हो गई, बहुत
कुछ खा
गर्मी
ले.
लग रही है.
Leopold.
We're at the right spot. There's Leopold.
Woo. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes.
Careful. Come.
Yeah. Cute.
So generally they have their menus right here under the table, so you don't waste time.
Yeah. And this is really fun, huh? आप इधर इसे sort कर लोगे आपको क्या चाहिए.
Yes. I think we should go for a fresh fruit juice first.
आप Leopold आते हो?
I used to come here often for like a chilled beer or something.
तो आज हम वही मंगाएंगे जो आपका go to order होता था उस वक्त.
Beer पीते हो आप लोग? Okay, honestly, I used to order Sizzlers and all, but अभी I can't eat Sizzlers and all.
कुछ हल्का
सा कुछ देखते हैं.
समर.
I want something chilled.
पीने में क्या चाहिए?
Like a juice. We'll ask them for a fresh juice.
Fresh fruit juice.
है ना?
उसको पूछते हैं.
हाँ.
We can order. What used to be your favorite?
एक तो cold bottle of water, please. One sweet lime fresh juice.
Sweet lime fresh juice.
Yeah. I'll have an orange fresh juice. No sugar, no ice, no masala, nothing.
One orange, one Mosami sweet lime.
हाँ. और one
Strawberry cream.
strawberry cream.
उसके
हाँ.
साथ आप क्या खाना चाहोगे और? Savory में. I think pasta sounds good.
पास्ता ही करते हैं ना. We do a mixed sauce pasta vegetarian.
pasta,
Yes.
yeah.
I want a beer. You want beer?
No, if you're having juice.
Instead of beer, I'll give the juice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
After graduating from college, obviously we've come here a bunch of times in a hot day to have like a nice chilled beer
Yeah.
or something. They have a AC area also. Very interestingly, वहाँ अभी तक they've preserved the glass that have bullet cracks and stains everywhere. इधर भी है, ऊपर भी है throughout.
है.
Yeah, wherever like next to where you're seated, there are glasses and there they preserve the So it shows, I guess, strength that you're coming back from something very, very traumatic and you're up and running again, which is the spirit of Mumbai.
It is.
That's what makes us stronger. But I love this place because it has such a nice old school charm. Look at the glass windows. They're still like painted in a fun
old
way.
Mumbai charm है.
Yeah,
I
like
know
the
that you're
tables,
coming to the old
the
Mumbai.
crowd. Yeah.
Late night Marine Drives पे आप रुकते थे.
Late night क्या हम late afternoon, late evening, late morning Marine Drive जाते थे. We used to have bhutta.
Yeah.
They used to give extremely sweet coffee.
Yes.
They used to
Even
serve boost.
Yeah.
Orange stick candy. They used to give
Even kacha aam with
curry and masala.
Curry, masala,
Yeah. I've never been a very masala like even in my juices I never like masala, but we used to do that bhutta and coffee. And then there used to be these massage wala aunties and uncles who used to roam and like,
Massage.
they used to give foot massage and like uncles used to give head massage. Thank you.
Thank you. Orange.
Orange juice here. Thank you.
Mossambi में.
Mossambi is there.
Sweet lemon.
Sweet lime.
Sweet lime. No sugar, no ice. Lovely.
Okay, बरखा जूस आ गई है. एक फन गेम खेलते हैं. Never have I ever.
Oh, okay. So we sip
पिया
the
है
juice.
तो पीना है.
Yes. Okay.
ठीक है. Never have I ever fangirl over a Bollywood celebrity in real life.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Never have I ever taken a solo trip just to escape from work.
I actually love working, so not to escape from work, but I've taken many solo trips.
Never have I ever lied about watching a movie just to fit in.
No.
No, right? Yeah. नहीं पसंद है तो नहीं आया. Cool. Never have I ever reshot a reel multiple times because I wasn't happy with it.
Yeah.
Never have I ever been mistaken for another celeb.
Very recently, a girl on a flight came and she's like, "You're Yami Gautam."
Oh.
And I was like, "Thanks for the compliment, but I'm not. I'm Rupali."
Okay. Never have I ever sneaked out of a shoot early to grab food.
No. I call for food
Call
on
कर देते
set for myself and everybody.
हैं. Never have I ever stalked my own fan pages just to see what they have posted.
I've stopped.
वो fan edits कितने अच्छे लगते हैं ना.
Yeah,
like
that's
करने
nice.
का
And in fact, sometimes they find some really nice photos when
Yeah.
you've gone for an event.
Yeah.
So I DM them and say, "ये कहाँ से मिली?"
मुझे भी.
And then they send it. So like I think it's a good community.
Okay. Never have I ever kept a script unread till the last moment.
What?
Which one? Was it a reel or like a proper show? Proper
A
show.
proper-
Never have I ever bought something just because it looked good on Instagram.
No.
Okay. Never have I ever had a crazy fan encounter that left me speechless.
Many.
Tell us one.
I was shooting in Bhopal once. It was a long format show. So we were there for about a month. And people in obviously Bhopal फिर समझ में आ गया था कि shoot चल रही है ये वो. There was a knock at my vanity and my boy came and he was like, "Someone's here." वो बहुत बार आ रहा है आपसे मिलने. मैम आपको एक बार मिल लेना चाहिए. I was like, okay, cool. This guy got me 3 framed sketches, handmade sketches of me. So when he found out that I've come to Bhopal, he started sketching. And every time he wasn't allowed, he'd go home, he'd make more sketches, make more sketches, make more sketches. And by the time he met me, which was after a good 17 days, he had 3 framed sketches of me, of my recent Instagram posts.
Wow.
It was very cool. I still have those sketches. I thanked him profusely. And I asked him, I was like, अगर आप नहीं मिलते, like if we wouldn't meet, तो आप क्या करते इन sketches का? कि देख आपकी vanity के बाहर रख के मैं चला जाता, कभी ना कभी तो ले लेते आप.
That's so nice.
Very
na?
sweet.
People think so much about you.
I felt so humbled, so sweet. Because he was such a talented guy, यार. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी ना. I'll send you photos of those sketches. They were so good.
Tell me one best thing and one, I won't say worst, but a bad thing about being a celeb, a famous person.
The best thing, I think there are many very, very good things. The not very good thing could probably be that because you're facing a camera, you don't have the choice to give into your emotions. You might be having a bad day, but you can't show that. You can't come with that energy, whether you're shooting a long format on set or whether you're going for an event or you're doing a simple YouTube shoot. You can't carry an energy, so you have to learn to kind of leave everything good, bad, ugly at home and then come and not look sad or angry or unhappy about something. So that's not a bad thing, but that's a difficult thing, which also people in corporates and all have to do. You can't carry a bad energy to office. But I think you also can't let it show and reflect in your eyes and face. So that gets a little difficult sometimes.
And you learn that throughout the years of acting and being in this industry.
Yes.
So एक और question पूछेंगे. Never have I ever lied in an interview. Is it our interview?
No, not this one.
Okay. So college time में भी used to be just studies and then like family के साथ या कुछ और भी?
Yeah, because
Since you were acting as well, like you were going for ad films.
No, not in after college is when
After
I
college?
professionally started doing long formats, etc. During college, I lived a very chill college life. So we used to do practices, but Sunday used to be an off. So Sunday also used to be a day where we used to sleep till 12 o'clock in the afternoon because we had morning classes.
इस बार मम्मी कुछ नहीं बोल सकती.
इस बार मम्मी कुछ नहीं बोलती.
So how did you travel? Like आप मुंबई local से travel करते थे to your auditions after college?
Yes. When I lived in Colaba, it was very difficult because that's when the metro construction had also started. So to go for a single audition to like Andheri or wherever, it used to take 2.5 hours and all. It used to go by road. So then I realized just go by train. But the problem with local trains is when there's so much crowd and traffic, you look nothing like yourself when you reach the audition. Like आप बहुत ऐसे like बाल ऐसे पूरे खराब हो जाते थे. Your makeup used to be gone for a toss. कपड़े खराब हो जाते थे. So then like that also wasn't working out. Then we shifted to I shifted with my sister to Goregaon.
Oh, so what does travel mean to you?
I think travel is everything for me. It's a way of self-discovery. It's a way of self-expression. You get more reliant on yourself because you know and you believe that once you are traveling somewhere, there are different situations that are going to get thrown at you, and you have only yourself to bank on to solve these situations, which is something that you do.
True.
So it's actually like it makes you a lot more independent. It makes you a lot more self-reliant. And then you can just believe in yourself, you know what, I can handle anything that comes my way. I might have a cry, but I'll handle it.
Which one was the best road trip you have ever taken in India?
Road trip? This was an adventurous road trip. There's this place called Zero in Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes.
So we drove from Zero in Arunachal Pradesh to Guwahati. And we got stuck in a landslide.
What?
Yes. And it was in the middle of monsoons and all. No, it was lovely because there were like some 7 of us in an Innova. All of us were really good friends, and it just got stuck, and like there was a long 2-3 kilometer traffic of cars, but everyone was really nice because everyone was in a travel spirit, travel mood, and people in the Northeast anyway are very, very, very kind. So yeah, people just like lit a bonfire on the side of the road. Everyone, whoever had snacks, अलग-अलग गाड़ियों से ऐसे snacks pass on हो रहा था. So there was like a full buffet of snacks, and it was really nice.
Let's play a quick game. This or that.
Okay.
How foodie are you? Like
White.
white?
White.
Okay, let's see. Bhujia save या save ussal?
Bhujia save.
Okay. Street food या fine dining?
Street food.
Okay. Rajasthan या Mumbai?
Mumbai.
Mountains या beaches?
Beaches with mountains. Ooh. Okay, but if I have to choose, I think mountains now.
Adventure sports or relaxing spa?
Spa, always. But I also really like adventure sports. It's very difficult to choose.
Spa after adventure sports then.
Yeah.
Okay. Luxury hotels or backpacking?
Luxury hotels.
Okay. Solo travel or travel with friends?
It depends on what phase you're in, but it's always nice to have like a small group of friends. I don't like a very big group of friends travel, so like 4 to 6 people is an ideal group size for travel.
Okay. No makeup look या full glam?
No makeup look.
Instagram या YouTube?
Instagram.
Okay. Oversized hoodies or fitted outfits?
Oversized hoodies.
Sneakers and heels?
Heels.
Okay. Binge watching Netflix or reading a book?
I've picked up reading again, and I've really enjoyed reading. So to give myself encouragement, I'm going to say reading a book. Though in my head, I know it's watching a series on Netflix. But say reading a book.
Party all night or cozy night in?
Cozy night in.
Okay. Acting or influencing?
Acting, 100%.
Oh, nice.
Oh, our pasta's here. Is that ours? Please.
Bro, this looks so good.
Yeah, it looks yum.
Yeah.
You can keep it here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. There you go.
बीच में रखते हैं. So acting, you said. Tell me, what was your first paycheck?
I was not an act for that. I was just looking for like random jobs for some extra cash. So there was a Microsoft ad that was happening. It was not for India. I was taking care of F&B for that shoot. So that was my first paycheck.
How much did you get?
12,000 rupees.
First paycheck in
Per
South
day.
What?
Yes.
No shit.
Yes.
So आजकल के Gen Zs को आप क्या advice देंगे to how to manage their finances? Since everyone is working and age doesn't matter anymore.
I think it's very important to save, obviously, but that's a very obvious advice. I think it's very important to invest your money in the right places and also invest your money in yourself because money makes money. Money multiplies money. So you should be able to invest that money back in yourself to grow and to evolve better in whatever you're doing. And also put in money for the money to multiply itself. So those two are very, very important things. Definitely not spend too much till the time you have a decent amount of money. So what I did when I was starting off was I had a certain sum in mind that I won't become a spender till the time I make X amount of money in my bank account always. And that's something I follow even till now. I want an X amount of money always in my bank account so that I have access to that liquid currency in any emergency.
कभी ना कभी तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा splurge तो किया ही रहेगा. So what is the most expensive thing you have bought till date?
Actually, a house. A house is the most expensive thing I bought till date. It bleeds you dry.
When did you first buy your own house?
When I was 29. Yes.
Really nice.
It was a very, very proud feeling.
अपने घर की बात ही अलग होती है. You get the charm.
Absolutely. And like you have such a thick booklet to sign when you're like the property papers, etc. when you're buying a house. And I remember I started very shocked, and by the end of it, I was almost tearing up because it was setting in that, is this what you're doing? So it first set in that, oh, I've bought my own house. Then a few pages later, oh shit, I have to pay for this myself. A few pages later, shit, I'm not going to be able to do as many trips and buy as many things. And by the end of it, I was like, shit, मैंने क्या कर दिया?
So you're a proper millennial.
Yes.
I'm a proper Gen Z.
Yes.
ठीक है. एक ऐसी हैबिट बताओ Gen Z की जो आपको बहुत ही अजीब और मतलब annoying लगती हो.
सिर्फ एक?
Oh, कई सारे. Shit.
No, I think it's a good thing and a bad thing. Gen Zs have a lot of self-confidence when they are starting out or from a very, very young age, which is something as we as millennials did not have. That level of self-assurity and self-confidence, wherein a Gen Z person is very okay walking away from a job if it causes even the slightest inconvenience. But I remember growing up, we used to slog our way through any job because that was never an option कि नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है छोड़ो कुछ और करते हैं. So that I think is a very big difference between the two generations.
Okay, मुझे लग रहा है बहुत heavy बातें हो गई है. थोड़ी बातें करते हैं और अच्छी excitement वाली. Love life के बारे में बताओ.
See, this is the part in interviews where I lie.
Is this where you take a sip?
This is where we take a sip and lie.
Okay, आजकल के जो relationship scenes है, ठीक है, situationship scenes है, उसके बारे में क्या कहना है आपको as a millennial?
I've never understood situationships, honestly. I don't know. How do you guys deal with it? Because it's so in between. Like you're not dating, but there is something happening there. But you're not dating,
But you get the concept. See,
I know, I understand the concept. I'm
you
not
get the concept
ancient.
because
I'm probably a few years older than you. I'm not ancient.
but you get the concept because maybe you were in one.
Because I was.
You were in one.
So you're very smart.
You can't lie now.
Juice pio.
Okay, Barkha, what's lined up for you? Where will we see you next?
A bunch of things. Quite an exciting year again. There is La Famgue, which has already been announced. That's going to release. There's another show, season 4, which I have done. But that's not been announced, so I'm not able to say which one. It's a nice, exciting show.
हम सोचते रहेंगे.
आप सोचते रहना. So I've joined season 4 of that. So that's going to come out later. So yeah, we're sitting on a bunch of some really exciting projects and hope they release soon. And you can already tell by my body language and by my voice, I'm a little nervous about it.
No,
but
touch
we're
wood, सब
excited.
कुछ सही होगा.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
It's been lovely speaking with
It
you.
was lovely
Barka.
chatting with you. Thank you for the wonderful day, the wonderful meal, the wonderful shopping.
Bhaiya
Yes.
remember us?
Bhaiya,
750
hopefully,
लेके गए.
yes. But I think we got a very good deal. I think we got a very good
चश्मा
deal.
वाला will remember us.
है ना?
हाँ.
But it was a
Madam
good
आई
day.
थी.
Fun day. I hope
Fun
you
day.
enjoyed your
I
day.
did.
मेरी गली में.
That's true.
Thank you.